Want to grow more food in less space? With less work, fewer weeds and fewer headaches? Then meet square foot gardening, the method that's changing the way home gardeners grow. So let's start with the basics. Square foot gardening is a simple method where you divide your garden bed into, you guessed it, 1-foot squares. Instead of planting in long rows, each square becomes its own mini-plot where you grow a specific number of plants based on their size. One square might hold 1 tomato plant, another might hold 4 lettuces, or 16 radishes. It's organized, efficient, and surprisingly easy, even if you're brand new to gardening. Square foot gardening works because it uses space smarter. Plants aren't spread out in huge rows with wasted soil in between. Instead, everything is tightly grouped so the plants shade the soil, helping prevent weeds and keeping moisture in. This means you spend less time watering, less time pulling weeds, and less time dealing with overcrowded plants fighting for space. One of the biggest reasons this method is so successful is, honestly, the soil. Square-foot gardens usually use a light, fluffy mix, like compost, peat, and vermiculite, which drains well, warms quickly, and gives your plants exactly what they need to explode with growth. Good soil means fast results, even in small spaces. You'd be shocked how much food you can grow with this. A single 4x4 bed has 16 squares, enough to grow salads, herbs, roots, greens, and even a couple of full-size veggies like peppers or tomatoes. Most beginners start with just one bed and honestly, they're amazed at how productive it is. So, why should this matter to you? If you're short on time, short on space, or just want gardening to feel less overwhelming, square foot gardening is the perfect system. It's easy to start, easy to maintain, and, well, incredibly rewarding. You don't need a giant backyard or tons of tools. You just need a small bed, a grid, and a few seeds, and you'll be harvesting your own food faster than you think. If you've been waiting to start a garden but didn't know where to begin, square foot gardening might be the simplest and most satisfying way to jump in. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more garden tips, and tell me in the comments, what's the first thing you want to grow in your square foot garden?